Hey yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Oscar and I'm back again with another video. Yes, sir. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing something like I'm gonna be showing you how to create your own trading system. Some of y'all will call it a robot, some of y'all a system, some whatever weird names y'all have for it. But yeah, I'll be teaching y'all how to create your own trading robot for free. Like guys, this is free. So if you're not gonna try this, then you're just wasting your time when it comes to trading. Yeah, guys, so if you haven't liked the video, please hit that like button, please hit that subscribe button, go down to the comment section down below, comment comment down anything, tell me what you think about this video, just comment anything. And yeah, guys, so for this whole setup we only need two two applications, not necessarily applications, but two systems. Now guys, we're on the chart, and as we're on the chart, I said we needed two things. We needed TradingView and the AI chatbot. So first of all, you want to make sure that the AI that you're using, the chatbot that you're using, allows for, because some bots don't allow, don't aren't they can't create a Pine script, and for this trading system you need to create a Pine script. You get. So to make sure that my AI can create a Pine script, I'm gonna ask it whereby I just say, are you able to create Pine script? Are you able to create a Pine script? Absolutely. Meaning it can create a Pine script. So from there, okay, so now you wanna tell it to generate a prompt for a, because thing is with AI guys, you have to be very, very specific. And the only thing that can be specific to a point whereby AI understands it is AI. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah. AI is the only tool that can be specific to a point whereby AI understands it. But if you were to try to be specific, it's gonna give you something that goes left. Depending, maybe it's different because I use the free version of AI, so maybe it's different with different versions or different people, depending on how you ask the questions or how you ask it to. So let me just say generate, my bad. Let me just say generate a Pine script, Pine script prompt for a support and resistance strategy. For support and resistance strategy. I'm only gonna use a support and resistance strategy because I'm not about to I'm not about to give away my strategy just like that, because I do have a certain thingy that I have generated, but I still need to backtest it. But looking at it, boy, there's a lot of potential. So I still need to backtest it. I still need to backtest it to make sure it is okay. You get. I still need to backtest it to make sure it is okay. But for now, I'm not. I'm only gonna do like simple things. I'm not gonna ask it to generate my whole trading setup. I have the one that I'm already using. You get, that I've already generated and refined. Okay, so from here, what you wanna do is we wanna use this information that it has given us and say because this is just a prompt, guys. This is not a Pine script. Yes, yet it is a prompt. It is a prompt, meaning it is direction. It gives us direction on what the system will be like. You get, before it actually creates the coding. The coding is the Pine script. This is just the prompt. You get. So we're gonna say generate a Pine script using the information information you given me. Yes. Okay, now let us see. Now we have a Pine script. Here's the Pine script down below here. Here's the Pine script over here. Excuse me. Here's the Pine script. You want to copy this whole thing. There's actually a copy button, and it also gives you insight on the script. It gives you insight. Let me just take you there. It tells you what this script includes. It tells you that this script includes alerts, risk management, trend detection instead, my bad. Identification of support and resistance, tracking, signal generation, visualization. Guys, you can configure this. You can add on to the strategy, like you can add on whatever you want to add, but just make sure you copy this whole thing first. You want to make sure you copy this whole thing. You get just there's a simpler way of doing it whereby there's a copy button somewhere there. Yeah, here next to Pine script, there's a copy button. You wanna click on that. It's gonna say copied, and then you don't need this anymore. You've copied the Pine script. What we want to do is we want to come through here into the Pine editor. The Pine editor. Once we are in the Pine editor, as you can see, I already have the script pasted already. But once we are here, you just want to have it pasted, and then yeah. Now that the script is pasted, it should look something like this. I had already had it. I already had it pasted because you get. So guys, this is just a simple support and resistance strategy script. You get. It is not. It is not. It is not a system. You can configure it. You can make it a lot better. You can play around with it, bro. Add on a lot of things. Add on diversions. Add on price action, bro. Just be creative with this thing, because this is what is gonna help you find the correct strategy for you. You get, if you know that you're used to trading breakouts, ask AI to design a system that's based on breakouts specifically, that uses breakouts as confirmations. Be specific with it. Tell it which time frame you want. Keep on configuring that strategy until it is something that you want. Trust me, that's gonna work, because that is what I did, and I have a certain strategy that I'm using from this, but I only use it on Euro USD, because I don't know why, but Euro USD just from the systems that I've tested, that I don't know about y'all, with y'all it's different with everyone depending on what type of system you're using and stuff. But with me, all the system I've been using, I've been getting a high win rate percentage with Euro USD. Like, I've been getting a high win percentage. If you like the video, hit that like button, comment down below, hit that subscribe button, I don't know if it's here. I think it's here. Yeah, hit the subscribe button and hit post notification as well. And yeah, just keep on running the comments up. Do the most. I'll catch y'all in the next video. I love y'all so much. And yeah, let's keep on staying blessed. Let us just keep on doing us. Bang. Bye.